Alright, so this is your video for how to apply charcoals in using an indirect method. First off, you have your supply bag that had charcoal pencil wrapped in paper towel with a kneaded eraser. So you want to pull out that paper towel with the charcoal pencil. You're not going to need the kneaded eraser for this exercise, but you're definitely going to need it for your project. Alright. So what you're going to do is you need to have a paintbrush nearby, you had to have a pair of scissors nearby, and some tissues, okay? And my suggestion is to put a newspaper down if you have it on your table so that you don't have that much cleanup to deal with. All right, so I'm going to unwrap my charcoal pencils and my charcoal stick. And so what you'll find when you open it up is a stick of charcoal and a charcoal pencil, all right? You're going to take out the stick of charcoal. All right. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to open them up. All right. And I'm going to use the sharp edge from the scissors and I'm going to scrape charcoal dust onto the paper. You can do this very lightly. This does not have to be, you know, something that you are cutting into. All right. So you scrape off a little bit of the dust. Now I'm going to pick up one of these tissues, all right, and I'm going to wrap it into a smaller piece, just something a little more manageable. And I'm going to dab it in that charcoal dust, all right. Now I'm going to take what I have on this tissue and I'm just going to apply it over here to make sure that it is nice and breathy, which means just a very light application. Now I can take this and I can go straight to my paper with it and I can apply a breath of light color to my paper. Understand that if you go in tiny circles like I'm doing here, you'll have a smoother application and you'll have less of this streaking, okay? And then you can go back over, get more, kind of test it out, and go back to your paper and apply a light area of color, okay? You can also do this with a paintbrush, and you just kind of get in there into the dust, and now I can apply, this is not working out real well, now I can apply a light area of color to my paper with my paintbrush.